The leading cause of death in Australia today is a broken heart, or technically what we call ischemic heart disease. Now, we all know of the most common form of this disease, which is a heart attack, but it includes any condition where there is a lack of blood supply to part of the heart tissue, which causes the cells there to die. Now, it's often said that time heals a broken heart, but this saying just isn't true for this area of damaged tissue. You see, heart cells are unable to regenerate, and so over time, this permanently damaged area weakens the heart, and eventually the heart will give out completely. Now, this is obviously a huge problem, and surprisingly, there aren't many treatment options. The most effective is actually a total heart transplant. And so there's a desperate need for new approaches which actually repair this damaged tissue. Recently, a potential solution has been emerging. Patches containing living cells within some kind of a biomaterial have been implanted to repair the damaged area. Now, for these patches to work, this biomaterial has to be just right. It has to allow the cells to grow into new heart tissue that's going to function just like the rest of the heart. So in my research, we are creating patches based on a natural biomaterial that you probably eat on a regular basis. It's called gel and gum, and it's a common food additive. But we're using gel and gum for its ability to form hydrogels. Now, hydrogels are jelly-like materials, and they're really similar to the stuff that naturally surrounds cells in our body, so they make a great biomaterial. Our gel and gum hydrogels form under conditions that are really cell-friendly, and we've shown that they're able to support the growth of new, healthy cells. So you're probably wondering, though, this research is about printed patches, so where does the printing come into all of this? Well, heart tissue is a complex, highly organised thing, and so if our patch is just some cells in a blob of jelly, it's not going to function like the rest of the heart. Also, this whole problem started with a lack of blood supply, right? So if new blood vessels can't grow into our patch, then it's just going to die as well. So we hope to solve these problems with the use of printing. Now, this is printing with a bit of a difference. Our ink is living cells in hydrogels, and instead of printing onto paper, we're printing up complex 3D structures. But by placing things exactly where we want them with a printer, we hope to give our patch the order it needs to form proper heart tissue, with plenty of spaces for new blood vessels to grow into it. So with our printed patches, we hope to create healthy, functional heart tissue that could potentially be used to heal a broken heart. Thank you.